Good morning, Year 4, and welcome to another one of your SPAG lessons. Today's learning objective is to identify the differences and similarities between formal and informal language. What is formal and informal language? Do you know what the difference between formal and informal language is? Well, formal language is used for more official and serious purposes. The correct grammar and standard English should always be used. Informal language, on the other side, is used for more casual and less serious purposes. Slang words and chatty language can be used. Talk to your partner or think about this at home and decide which of the following are features of formal language and which are features of informal language. Uses correct grammar and punctuation. That's right, that is formal. Can use contractions and abbreviations, for example, it's or TV. Well done, that is informal. Uses a chatty tone. Good job, informal again. Uses a serious tone. Exactly, that is formal. Uses correct vocabulary. Again, well done, it would be formal. And finally, can use text, language, and slang. As we saw before, that is a feature of informal language. Well done. Here is a summary of what we have just said. Now, formal and informal language should be used for different purposes. Can you decide which sort of language you should use in the following situations, formal or informal? Pause the video here and have a think. Welcome back. Let's check. Talking to friends should be informal. Writing a job application should be formal, well done. Writing a letter to Gran should be informal. Talking to the head teacher, that should be formal, shouldn't it? Sending a text to a friend, it's a bit more of an informal conversation. And writing a letter to the Queen, that would be a very formal situation. Here you can see some formal and informal vocabulary that can link together. Can you see any informal vocabulary for the word imagine? That's it, reckon. I imagine that should be the way this should be done. I reckon this should be the way this should be done. For wonderful, we've got wicked. For we have, we've got with. As soon as possible, ASAP. Are not, ain't. Thank you, ta. And tomorrow, tomos. Read the following emails and decide whether they are formal or informal. Pause the video here. Right, welcome back. If you look at both letters, you will see that the one on the left, the one that starts with Dear Sir or Madam, is the formal one. And that the one that starts with Hi Carrie is the informal one. Well done if you got that right. You can see that it is formal or informal because you will have seen some vocabulary and some expressions that show you that the style in which that is written is either formal or informal. Okay? Now, are the sentences formal or informal? That film was sick. I regret to inform you that the swimming pool is now closed. The managing director requests that everyone arrives for the meeting at 9 a.m. prompt. What do you think? We were just hanging out in the park. Stop the video here and tell whether they are formal or informal by writing down an F or an I next to those sentences. Let's check the answers. Good job, Year 4. Now let's move on to the last activity. I need you to write down these informal sentences in a more formal style. See you soon, hopefully. The TV was rubbish. It didn't even turn on. That was so funny, lol. You won't believe what happened to me yesterday. Pause the video here and come back as soon as you have finished. Okay, welcome back. Let's check a way to rewrite these sentences in a more formal style. I hope that I will see you soon. The television was inadequate. It did not even turn on. That was very amusing. I laughed out loud. You will not believe what occurred yesterday. Right, year 4. I hope you understood everything, and please do let me know if you have any questions at all. Bye!